I'm Tara Pappas, and I'm the creator of the series Drawing Furry Friends of the Saints. The idea for this series came from my own love of animals and the stories of saints' connections to wild animals. One of my favorite stories has always been Saint Seraphim of Sarov and his bear friend Misha, which ended up being my first episode of the series. This story is extra special to me because once, when I was in the forest, I had my own peaceful encounter with a bear. I was reading my Bible while sitting in front of a log, and a big bear walked into the area where I was sitting. He dug around looking for food, and then came right up to me, sniffed my leg, breathed out a puff of air, and then peacefully walked away. When the bear left, I sat quiet for a while, and then continued to read, filled with a feeling of wonder and peace. In making this series, it is my prayer that others will take away those same feelings of wonder and peace, and a desire to read more about the saints from each episode, and the amazing animals they befriended. Thanks for joining me throughout this series, and as I always say at the end of my episodes, may the Lord bless you and keep you always.